Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this neon style inspo for dress to impress. In this DTI tutorial, we are going full neon with bold colors, electric vibes, and futuristic flair. Well, let me show you how you can create this look. So first, to make the color pop, you can use black as your skin tone and use any makeup that will looks good on neon color. And here I'm going to show you how you can do the hair. So first, you can use this updo in hair category, and I'm going to color it black and yellow. Then the second hair, you can go find it on the feminine category and use this hair, then color it, toggle it into only bangs, and just leave the color as it is, these two tones color, and then put on this. So use this hair in here, then change the color into black and pink like this, and you can make the color neon. So just change the material or the texture into neon. Now let's start with the outfit. First, I'm going to use a code item here. So I'm going to use this dress, but toggle it into number 4. So only use the sleeves, get rid of the glitters, and I'm going to color it blue like this and make it neon. Then I'm going to use this currency item, this dress in here, but toggle it to only the skirt. Then change the color into black for the first one, and this pink color on the second and third, and of course change the texture into neon. Okay, let's find the rest of the items. So first, I'm going to use this skirt and change the color into pink for the first one, and the second and the third is yellow and blue like the sleeves. Don't forget to change all of the texture to neon. And for the shoes, I'm going to use this boots and change the first color to black, second blue, and the third one is also blue, and the last one pink. And next, I'm going to put on this on the hand and change it into neon with yellow color, and this stocking in here, first color black and the second one yellow. I forgot this top in here. So for the first color is black and the rest of it yellow. Don't forget to change it into neon. Next, you're going to put on this skirt, and here I'm going to change the color to blue in neon, and lastly put on this wings, and I'm going to use neon, of course, in blue and pink color. So this is it. This is the neon outfit for you. So whether you are going cyber, sporty, or full-on rave queen. This look is about confidence, color, and turning heads. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks for more bold fashion info and hacks. Bye!